cover sheet reflects that the claims for relief or that the lawsuit is concerning wrongful death and disqualification under the Slayer statute. When someone is determined either in a civil action or a criminal action to have caused the death of another individual, the Slayer statute is put in place to then prohibit that individual believed to have caused the death from obtaining certain benefits. Our state laws provide that if someone has been determined to be the slayer, that they cannot collect or benefit from the estate of the individual to whom they are or who they are expected to have been responsible for the death of.
And through your experience, what is the relationship with the Slayer statute and life insurance policies?
The Slayer statute also, or when someone has been established to be the slayer, they are also prevented from recovering any life insurance benefit proceeds.
Well, can you state whether or not this lawsuit specifically alleges in this civil case that this defendant caused the death of Michele Young in paragraph 6?
Correct. There is an alleged paragraph 6, again reading verbatim from the record. In the early morning hours of November 3rd, 2006, Jason Young brutally murdered Michele Young at their residence.
And was a judgment entered as a result of that hearing that was held on December the 5th of 2008?
There was a judgment entered, yes.
Have you had an opportunity to review that judgment?
I have. It is part of the official court file.
And signed by the Superior Court judge, a judgment declaring within the civil statute this defendant, Jason Young, to be the slayer, that is, that he unlawfully killed Michele Marie Fisher Young, within the definition of slayer in the civil law. Is that correct?
That is correct.
And then it goes on to recite the previous adjudication under the default judgment and awards an amount of money to the estate of Michele Marie Fisher Young. Isn't that correct?
That is correct.
And how much did Judge Smith award?
Over $15 million.
And also included in that affidavit is his opinion as a lawyer, having practiced in North and South Carolina since 1977, that he says that what he is, based upon his review, that what Detective Spivey, Investigative Spivey, has accurately reflected the evidence, and that it is true, in his opinion, that Jason Young brutally murdered Michele Young at their residence. He alleged that, didn't he?
He did.
That's what he said in that same affidavit.
Yes.